Alright,
thank you so much. Alright. So guys, this is what Hey guys, good morning and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It is still your girl Favor Sky on this channel. So guys, we are traveling. Yep, and we're about prepping for the trip. No, we're not traveling out of the country. We're actually moving from Kaduna to Lagos, not relocating. Guys, I'll be traveling from Kaduna to Lagos and I want to go prep for this trip. As you can see, my hair is in a mess. I just loosened it now and I want to go relax my hair now, and from there I'll go carve my brows, I'll go run some errands at the bank, I'll go for my pedicure. What else? I want to buy fridge today. I sold my small fridge and my small deep freezer. I want to buy a 2-in-1 today. Yeah, the time is past 10. I want to start early to make sure I finish in time too, so I can come back and pack. Guys, this prep will start in Kaduna but finish in Abuja, because Abuja knows how to treat my hair. So for Kaduna, I'll just be carving my brows and relaxing my hair, but in Abuja I'll be fixing my hair. I want to do a sewing and then my nails and lashes. Okay, so come prep with me, guys. Yeah, yesterday. Good morning, ma. Fine. I want to grab my brush. She's not coming. I know. How are you? Hi.
Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, they die to this one way. Plenty survive. Just to make your one day. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to learn. What's it go? Chihuahua, all the men, they got ride the whip, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it go? Chihuahua, all the men, they got ride the whip, I no feet. Different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling, flow like the ocean, my court, I'm paddling. Shout out, she no bella, that's my bro, my family. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? Chihuahua, all the men, they got it, right, I know it, die for nothing. What's it go? Chihuahua, all the men, they got it, right, I know it. bad
Okay, I
mind.
checked. I just like the fact that it has.
Bad when you both combine.
Okay.
I don't know why you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't get you look so nice, baby, so nice.
Hey guys, so it is time to pack, but before we start packing, I'm expecting some items from the fridge I bought. They'll be delivering to me today, this evening. I'm patiently waiting, and I'm also waiting for some clothes from the laundry, which I also need to pack. So once they deliver these two items, I'll start packing immediately. I'm leaving for Abuja tomorrow. My flight is for Wednesday. I'm flying from Abuja, so I need to be in Abuja tomorrow. Okay, today is Monday, tomorrow is Tuesday, and my flight is for Wednesday. So yeah, everything is pretty much set. And once I start packing, of course, I'll carry you guys along, okay? Yeah. So guys, they just delivered these items. Let's start packing. I don't know, I feel so excited whenever I want to pack for trips. But yeah, these are the things I want to fold into this box now. Just pardon what you're seeing on the floor. I just tore out some things from the box. So yeah, let's fold these things into the bag. Okay? Okay.
One time, I need you. 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 Right now we're just taking time. All the things are on your mind. They ain't one bad when I treat you right. I don't care how you look so nice. Crying not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't get you look so nice, being not nice, you're rude. Look what you're putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner, and it's no one.
I just took delivery of the fridge, and I'm so excited. Man, this is my wall, eh? I don't tire, and it's rainy season. I don't even know how to figure that, but this is the fridge. Let's unbox together.
I need to hold the corner, and there's no one time I need you. 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 I need you.
Guys, say hello to the new member of this house. Say hello to the new member of this house. Aww. Okay, I don't have strength to start unboxing. No, I've unboxed to start tearing out all these nylons. After all, why am I panting? I'm traveling tomorrow, so yeah, I won't really need it now. But she's pretty, she's huge, she's tall, she's cute. Love her. Okay. Hey guys, good morning. I'm all set and rushing to the train station now. My bags are packed, I'm dressed, but ignore my hair. I have a comb in my hand. I'll fix it in the car. Let me stop talking. This is what I look like. Okay, let's go guys. See you.
And if I had it my way,
It's alright.
you would know that you were. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's snowing. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh.
So guys, they just brought this complimentary drink and chin chin. Why am I laughing, guys? I only remember to show you guys when it's empty, when it's already empty, because I opened it and tasted. It was actually filled to the brim. I tasted one, I was like, wait. I'm actually having it with tea before I head out for my appointment.
You're the best part.
That's Hi, good afternoon.
It's the sunrise
Welcome.
and those brown eyes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up,
Person's
we
trying
make up. It makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the Tylenol I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Won't you? If you love me, won't you say?
Hi, good afternoon. Thank you.
Won't you say something? If you love me, won't you?
So guys, I am back like I never left. Skin is glowing, although my skin is going through a lot this period. It's breaking out so bad, so bad. I mean, I've been having pimples from nowhere. Yeah guys, my lashes, I love them. I wanted something very simple, quite natural. My brows, I carved my brows there too, and then facials. And I look good, I feel good. So I'm hungry now, I want to eat. I ordered food. I ordered bole and jam with fish, and that is what I'm about devouring. So guys, this is what the food looks like. We have the Titus fish here. We have the plantain, they call it bole. Okay, and then I'll step it down with this complimentary drink they gave me earlier today. The hotel gave me. Yeah, while I find something to watch. All right. I don't know if you can see me. You take pepper and you put little of what has leaf on it, and then you bite. Guys, let me enjoy this food. I'll see you later. Bye.